Hello and welcome to this MasterShip tutorial video. Today we will have a look at the Mark Stiffeners Express tool. This tool is an easy way to mark stiffeners on plate parts. We'll create some stiffeners on this bulkhead to demonstrate. But first we will set the view to wireframe so that we can see and select better. I'll create a single stiffener first. Let's make sure the bulb is facing the correct way. Then we'll copy the stiffener to the other positions. Now we're ready to start marking. The Express Tool tab contains the Select Tool command. We find chip mark stiffeners in the list and execute. We can select as many parts as we like and as many stiffeners. Any other entities are automatically filtered out, so we don't have to worry about that. We'll hide the solids so that we can see the result. The ID of the stiffener is added, as well as an indicator for the throw direction. The tool also supports a stiffener spanning multiple parts. Let's have a look. We'll create a new stiffener, this time facing starboard, so we can see the change in the marking. Both parts are now marked with the relevant piece of the stiffener, and the throw direction is marked accordingly. Thank you for watching this MasterShip tutorial.